to Money Explained Simple, the place where we talk about money.
Here we go.
Your financial education starts now. Why do most people never become millionaires? The answer may surprise you. It's not because they're lazy. Not because they're stupid. And not because millionaires are magical. It usually comes down to habits. Small habits. Repeated for years. And today, we're breaking them down. Most people think short-term. Immediate pleasure. Immediate comfort. Immediate rewards. Buy now. Pay later. That mindset kills wealth. Millionaires think differently. They delay gratification. They ask, what grows over time? That shift changes everything. Because wealth is rarely explosive. It's usually boring. Consistent. Patient. Compounding. Most people work for companies. Few own them. That matters. Employees earn income. Owners build wealth. Why? Because ownership scales. A salary has limits. Ownership doesn't. That's why stocks matter. Businesses matter. Assets matter. The wealthy focus on ownership. Not just income. Fear of risk. Another major reason? Fear. People fear failure, Loss. Judgment. So they stay comfortable. Safe. Predictable. But wealth often requires calculated risk. Investing. Starting something. Learning new skills. Comfort rarely creates wealth. Growth usually feels uncomfortable. Most people never become millionaires because they never change their habits. The good news? You don't need to be born rich. You need better financial behavior. And consistency. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Money Explained Simple. Because becoming rich is hard enough, at least let the explanations be simple. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Money Explained Simple. See you in the next video.